Hey, what's up besties? It's your girl E.Michelle and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And while you're at it, just go ahead and click the like button as well. So today's video is just going to be a really quick video, just me giving you some tips, some basic essentials if you're just starting out planning and you want to kind of do something functional or start off functional and see how you like planning. These are going to be my recommendations. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so before me I have the planner starter kit. So like y'all remember when they had like the deadbeat daddy starter kit and the baby mama starter kits going around on Instagram? This would be my starter kit for someone just getting into planning, things that will actually work and be functional. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. I'm just going to scoot these over to the side. All right, so the first thing, I said scoot them over to the side and then I didn't move them all. So the first thing I would recommend would be starting out with a mini planner of some sort. Now the reason why I say that is because a mini planner kind of gives you a feel for what you may be planning for. A lot of times we go into the bigger planners because they're like, oh, there's so much space, there's this and there's that, and then either it's too much space or you can't really carry it around with you because you don't have like that bigger purse. Like everyone doesn't carry around a bigger purse to carry it in, and sometimes you just want something smaller, something to jot down in. So I recommend starting with something small now that there is an option to start off small. And I mean, you definitely can start off wherever you want to, but I think this is a great place to start. So I would definitely start off with the mini. And let's go ahead and we will open this up. I'm actually gifting this to someone, so hopefully she's watching and she's like, girl, that's my planner. Yeah, this is your planner right here, but this is a great video idea, so I thought it'd be good. So yeah, we flipping through your planner, girl. Okay, so yeah, this is the mini. So it's just a smaller size planner that has a monthly sheet in there. It's basically the bigger planner, but just in a smaller size. So this is what the monthly looks like right there. Okay, and then when you go into the days, it looks just like that. So it's really simple, just something you can write your little notes in, and it doesn't have to get too convoluted or too complicated. So these come in dated and undated, so that's the good part. You can start at any point in the year, and I think that is awesome. So this will be my recommendation for where to start as far as getting a planner. The next thing you're going to need is a good writing utensil, and these are my favorites, and I believe they are like $9 at Walmart and then maybe like $11 on Amazon and $10 or something like that at Target. I don't know, you guys can look that up. I'll have the links down below for these because these are my favorite, and they come in this pack and they also come in a 20 pack, which I don't have close to me, but you really don't need all of those colors. Like literally you just need some good writing pens. Now I suggest getting a pack of colored pens because you may want to try some color coding. So maybe you want to start off planning your household stuff will be in blue, and then your work stuff can be in pink, and then purple represents your kids' activities, something like that. This is a very functional way to just start with just pen and paper. Get you some color pens. Okay, so these are great because they're fine lighters and they just write really good. So this is my recommendation, but you really just need you a good writing pen. So try some of these out if you guys like them, and again, I'll have that link down below. Okay, so next up in my lineup is going to be some whiteout. Now you can get whiteout of any kind, whatever, but I really like this one. It's a smaller one and it has a twist cap, and I don't know, this is just a good white out to me, and it's only like $3, and you get 2 of them in a pack, and they last a really long time, and it doesn't give you that harsh feeling sometimes when you're going through or like skip or something like that. This one doesn't do that for me. Now I might be a little light heavy-handed, a little heavy light-handed, whatever you want to call it, but I'm not overly pressing down on it, and you really don't have to with this one. It's just really good. But when you make a mistake in your planner, it's really easy for you to just kind of white it out and move on with your life without having to scratch it out and make your planner look all wanky or whatever. So this is just a really good tool to have on hand, so if you make a mistake, you can correct it. Okay, so these are highlighters, and this is another great tool for you to color code. So you can write with your regular black pen and then highlight in whatever color that you need to. And I think this is a really great idea, again, for those who like to color code or color blocking or anything like that. These are great. They do not bleed through, and they're just really good markers. And you can pick these up from Target, or you can pick them up from Amazon. So just make sure you get you a good set of highlighters. There are some that will bleed through your page, and then you'll be annoyed on the next page. So just make sure you get you some that don't bleed through. And this is my recommendation. And my next recommendation is going to be these sticky notes. Now, I really like using sticky notes. They are great to just stick things in my planner without making them permanent. And then I just take the sticky note up and move on about my day. So like if you're planning stuff, maybe you have a play date scheduled for your kid for next month, but you're not really sure if it's going to happen. You just kind of jot it down and stick it on a sticky note, and boom, there you go. It's an option for you to make your plans without them being permanent. So I really like having these sticky notes, and you can get these off of Amazon or Michael's or Joann's, like, or even Hobby Lobby. Wherever they sell like happy planner stuff, they have these. And again, they are available in the Erin Condren size too, but for this video I'm talking about, you know, functional things that you can grab right away. And last but not least, if you're getting into this world, you're gonna hear all about stickers, okay? And you're probably like, oh, what sticker book do I really need? My top pick, even if you are not a mom, if you're just starting off in planning, is to get the mom sticker book. Now this comes in a mini, and it comes in a regular classic size. I personally like the mini just because the icons are a little bit smaller, and I have bigger handwriting, so I already take up a lot of space in my planner. And this just works out a lot easier for me because I'm able to put the icons down and not have to worry about, you know, just, I don't know, like I just don't have to worry about having too much stuff and making it look real like junky. It just makes it look good. And this sticker book you can get from Michael's using a coupon, and I believe Hobby Lobby may have it, and I think Joann's now is carrying them as well. So most of the craft stores do have this one here, but definitely make sure you check out those coupons and grab them while they are on sale. But this will be my perfect one. As you can see, they have the different like pay bills, shopping, they have play dates in there. This is just an all around, like, it's just a really good sticker book. I cannot stress that enough. So yeah. All right, you guys, so these are all the things that I would recommend. Let me know what you would recommend for someone starting out, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow me on my blog, where I'll have more information and more links, and I may be doing a little giveaway of some sort, I don't know, so you want to stay tuned to all of my social media so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!